Good morning, guys. It's quite late start of the vlog. 11:05 na. We're done with breakfast. We ate bread at saka kanin. Kasi, dalawa yung naprito kong chicken ham na si Daddy, di ba may pasok siya kagabi. Umuwi siya siguro mga past 6 o'clock. So, hanggang ngayon natutulog siya. Doon ko na siya, pinalipat ko siya dun sa kabilang room para makatulog siya ng diretso. Kasi, pag nandun sa kwarto, syempre, magulo sila din. Anyways, so, yun. So, automatic na sa akin, parang ginagawan ko siya ng breakfast. So, nagluto, dalawa yung niluto kong ham. Tapos, naalala ko, tulog nga pala si Daddy. Hindi naman yung kakain ng breakfast. So, yung isang ham, pinalaman ko sa tinapay. Tapos, yung isang ham, since may natirang konting kanin kagabi, sabi ko, kainin na lang with kanin. So, yun, dalawa kanain namin, kaya busog na busog ako. Hindi ako makapag-workout pa. Anyways, pero magluluto na ako ng aking daing na bangus na binabad ko na kagabi sa sukal bawang. Dito ko sa ziplock nilagay kasi walang Tupperware na magkasya yung bangus sa sobrang laki. So, pipituin ko yung bangus and maya-maya, pipituin ko yung aking tapa. So, at ako ay maglalampaso ng sahig. Parang wala nang katapusang karumihan ang sahig. Nakakairita na. Anyways, good morning. Happy Wednesday. So, I don't think naman papasok pa si Daddy. Kasi kagabi, sabi niya 11 to 4 daw. Sabi ko, papasok pa ba the next? Kumbaga, papasok ka ba siya ngayon? Sabi niya, oo daw. Pero ngayon, I don't think so. Kasi sobrang late niya na nakauwi. So, yeah. Morning! Oh my gosh, guys. Are you watching the... Is it live right now? I'm not sure. Pero nakita ko lang sa ABS-CBN na yung kay Kerwin Espinosa. Oh my gosh, grabe nakakagigil yung mukha ni Daliva! Tsaka yung Marcos na yun, may kinalaman pala yun. Akala ko naman, diba? Sila yung nakapatay doon sa tatay niya. Ay, naku talaga. Politics, so dirty. Anyways, yeah, I am enjoying it. It's like I'm watching a suspense TV show or suspense movie. But anyway, I'm also making prito frying my bangus. Ang tagal. Nakainis na ako. Naiinip na nga ako. Anyways, yeah. Hey guys. Hi, Daddy. Kakagising lang ni Daddy. Alas 3 na. At kakain na siya. Ako naman, sila Zeb naman kakatulog lang ng alas 3. So, I want to prepare for an activity. I wanted to sleep pero meron akong gustong gawin. So, yeah, we'll see muna pala ang aking materials. Wait. Hey guys, grabe. Kinakain ang araw ko ng hearing na yan. Grabe. Kanina, naubusan na. Naglobat na yung phone ko. Kaya hindi rin ako napag-vlog kanina Naglobat yung phone ko. Nakacharge siya na matagal hanggang sa kinuha ko lang siya nung 3 o'clock nung nakatulog sila. Tapos ngayon naman, while I'm doing my activity for Zeb, nanonood din ako. Well, first of all, look at this. I just did this. Yes, kakagising lang nila Zeb. Tapos nandun si Daddy. Karton nung yung Cycles na laundry detergent. It's a Alphabet Monster. Oops, huwag muna pakita kay Seb. Tapos yung mga bola niya, sinilagay ko ng letters. So, later, mamaya to actually, second activity to, meron pa akong isa na involving a squirt gun. So, magbabasa kami, kaya perfect na nandiyan si Daddy para si Zach ay nasa kanya, hindi magugulo. So, i-set up ko muna dahil naghahanap na activity si Zach, si Zeb, and I'll see you later. So, this is the other activity. We will call it squirt a letter. So, ito nga yung mga letters ko kanina na sinulatan ko na. Actually, 25 lang siya. Nagkulang pa ako ng isa. Nakakainis. So, yan. Sinulatan ko na. Then, ako maglalagay ng mga letters. And then, sasabihin ko, Zeb, can you squirt the letter M? Tapos, yan. Squirt niya yan. Kaya meron akong curtain kasi magbabasa kami. So, here goes! Come here, Zeb. This is your activity. Hey, stand over here. Stand over here. Come on. You're eating a cookie. Come here. You shoot the letter.
T.
Huh? Shoot the letter Y.
Y.
Where's the letter Y? Very good! Yes! Okay. Uh-oh. Dirty, dirty. Don't put your hand. Okay. Can you shoot the letter J? Where's the letter J? Huh? Wow! Good job! Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I will put more letters. Can you shoot the letter R? Where's the letter R? Yeah. Do you still have water? Yes! You want to meet Alfie? Okay. Hi, Zeb. My name is Alfie. What's your name? I just called you. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Tell me your name. What's your name?
Don't touch my arm.
You know what my name is? My name is Alfie, the alphabet monster. Hi, Alfie. Say hi to Alfie.
Hi, Alfie.
What's your name?
Alfie.
What's your name?
Say your name. My name is Zeb.
What's your name?
Say Zeb. Say Zeb.
Okay. Can you help me eat? I am hungry. I want to eat some alphabets. Okay. Oh, Alfie is hungry. You have
Don't!
He's hungry. You have to feed him. Zeb, wait. I want to eat the letter Q. Zeb, can you give me letter Q? Put it inside my mouth. Wait. Nom 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 nom. Thank you. Okay, I want to eat the letter A. Can I have letter A? Wait, I will open my mouth. Put it inside, Zeb. Nom 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 nom. How about a letter B? I think I need a letter B. Thank you. Nom 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 nom. P is so yummy. In fairness, tagaktak pawis ko Fail yung aking yung squirt a letter, hindi tumutumba. Well, nung tinry ko, tumutumba. Pero si Zeb, yung force ng niya kasi pagpindot, hindi kaya. Ang hina lang, kaya saka super lapit niya. Pero pwede na rin. Pwede na yon. At least, tinatamaan niya yung tamang letter. Anyway, tagaktak pawis ko. My gosh, ang init. Parang gusto ko na mag-workout or I don't know kay daddy anong balak. Pero si daddy kasi nakalabas yung laptop niya parang hindi pa siya tapos sa trabaho niya. But yeah. Anyways. Ano ba? Ang gagawin ko? Liligpit muna ako, guys. Hey guys, we're out. It's 6:20. It's so late. But yeah. Dahil nag-alburutan na si Zach. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Flying kiss, please. Flying kiss. Sus, may luha-luha pa yan. Okay, come on. Come on, Zeb. Are you counting the birdies? Say bye, birdies. Slide, slide, slide. Can I see?
Go to kuya. Go, 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 go.
Hey guys! Wala pa din akong ligo. It's already 9 o'clock. Ngayon pa lang kami magdi-dinner ni Daddy. He just got home from grocery. Siya na grocery tonight. So, okay na kami. I'm hungry. At ako'y hindi nakapag-workout today. Anyway, let's eat. Ayaw, monster! Cover. Zeb, turn on the aircon, please. Ay, naku, ano pala? Thank you. No. Press 1. Uh-oh! Yeah? Ayaw, baby monster. Cover mo, daddy. Uy, sus. Oh no. Oh. Verdugo. Bababa pa. Okay, guys. I think it's time to call it a day, a night, whatever. It's 10 o'clock. So late. Matapos ko lang maligo. Ha? What? What do you want? Naku, ito na naman. Nakita na naman ako. What do you want? Oh, please. Please what? Ayun, so, yeah. Parang I'm off today in terms of vloggy. Parang wala ka masyadong kwento today. Kasi sinimulan ng ni Kerwin Espinosa. Uy, what's that? Please. Oh, very good. Kiss mommy first. Kiss mommy. Mwah! Thank you. Okay, Dede. So, yun. I'm gonna say goodnight na, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Ano ba bukas? Thursday na ba bukas? Bukas naman Thursday na ba bukas? Hindi ka sure. Kung Thursday na bukas, si Ronnie Dayan naman, diba? Ang nasa Senate. Senate ba? Basta. Looking forward to that. Maghapon yun. My gosh. Anyway, so yeah. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Night. Ito na sila, Zeb. Say night.
Bye-bye.
Flying kiss? Alam mo, makakalabas ka pa, ha?